Good morning. Welcome back to ReMended and Revival. It is February 2nd right now when I'm filming this. I just got an order for a hanging jacket. It's actually a men's sport coat. So today I'm going to show you how I easily package and ship a men's blazer. Most of my jackets and sports coats and some bags, as you can see, I hang up on this rack. And so I know I'm looking for 2180. And there it is, 2180. This is a men's 346 blazer from Brooks Brothers, and I'm going to ship it out today. I have a very simple SKU system. I package all of my items in reusable plastic bags. I use these over and over, and I have it organized in bins or those hanging racks. And it just simply makes it easy for me to find and locate what I need to ship. So the first thing that I always do is just make sure it is the exact item. And when it's a jacket like this, I make sure the blazer is all buttoned up. And in shipping, I want to protect the buttons especially. So that's what I'm going to be mindful of today. So what I like to do is fold it in half to protect the buttons. And then fold the sleeves under here, which I will protect these buttons in the next step. Just simply here, folding this up upon itself best I can. And I'm going to stick it in a plastic bag just to protect it a little bit. I don't often ship in these plastic bags. However, it is February 2nd. I live in Vermont, and you know what? You just never know what the weather's going to be. So I like to have a little extra protection, and then I will just stick it in a poly mailer bag. This is 15 by 11. And there you have it. I do like to add a little bit of tape to the back for some extra security. Now I'll measure it. 13 by 11 by 3. Now I'll weigh it and put it into eBay, and then it'll be shipped off to Washington. It's as easy as that. It says 1 pound, 10.4 ounces. I always round up because I have to put a sticker on it, so I'll do 1 pound, 11 ounces. It's as simple as that. I just got an order for this vintage Christian Dior tie. So I am going to package it up, and I have these 4x4x4 cardboard boxes. These work really well to ship ties, so let me show you how I fold and ship out a tie. All right, so what I like to do is to keep the tie loose, and I will start by putting it close to the edge of a tissue paper, like so. And then I fold it over like that. And then I'll pull it down and fold it over again. And then put it up. And then just continue folding it over on itself. And then I usually have a thank you sticker. I'll put the thank you sticker there. Now what I do is I simply fold it up gently in like a little rosette. Put it inside the box, and it will kind of unravel a little bit, and it keeps it from wrinkling and from moving around in the box. That's it. I'll just tape it up, bring it over, weigh it, insert my measurements into eBay, and send it along. 3.2 ounces. I will round up to 4 ounces and send it along. And I'll print it off with my Rollo printer. It's super easy.